guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if this is bumpy. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I've never filmed in the car before, and I put you on something very weird to keep you there, so you might not be able to hear me. But we were at the house, me and my son, and I was looking at Instagram and I saw that Trisha Paytas tried the It Frappuccino or whatever. I know this is probably so shaky, I'm really sorry. I'm not really a fan of Starbucks, to be honest. I used to be, but I think it was just because everyone else liked it, and so I kind of like thought I liked it too. But there's really so much like more options of better coffee and better drinks. Like Frappuccinos have no flavor. If I'm gonna drink a 500 calorie drink, I'm drinking a milkshake. With all the sugar that's in it, like just eat something that you like. Like, why get a Frappuccino? That's just how I think about it anyway. The point is that my expectations are very, very low, which means I will either be like blown away or I'll be right, because I've never tried a Starbucks Frappuccino that I enjoyed. I just don't like them. Woo! So we're almost there. We're gonna run inside, we're gonna grab the Frappuccino, and then we're gonna taste test it. I'm gonna let my son test it too and see if he likes it. He likes everything basically. Well, anything bad for you, he likes. So I'm sure he'll enjoy it. Maybe I'll see if my husband will try it, but I know he won't on camera, so I'll just let you know if he likes it for fun. And then, yeah, we're just gonna do like my first like food testing video of a item that's like out, that's new. I know there's a bunch of like new stuff, like the Pizza Hut Cheez-It pizza thing or whatever. This person's riding my ass, really pissing me off. And then there's also the new chicken chalupa at Taco Bell. So I'm gonna try both of those two probably this week. And I'm gonna do a cheat day soon, and yeah, I'm really excited, and I hope this quality isn't the worst you've ever seen, but there's no telling because I'm literally bouncing everywhere. Anyway, I will see you guys in a minute after we get our Frappuccino, and we'll try it and see what the deal is. Yeah, I'm so excited! Alright guys, so now we wait. Are you excited to try it? You say you're excited? Oh, there it is! Alright everyone, we got it. I'm gonna try it now because he's impatient. So, let's see if he likes it. Take a sip. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it good? Okay, I don't think you need any more. It's not good for you. A few more steps, I'm taking it away. Oh my gosh, she's gonna drink all of it. I think it's safe to say he likes it, but I'm about to take it away from him because he doesn't need that much sugar, and I don't know if there's caffeine in there. There probably is, maybe, I don't know. So I'm gonna take it away from him, and then we'll go home and I'll try it. You like it, huh? Alright, I've gotten the drink away from my child for 3 seconds, so let's taste and see what it tastes like. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. So, I'm not really tasting much of the strawberry. Let me see if I can get my straw in it. Not a fan. So it's not bad at all. It's not bad, but it's not great. It's nothing special. The strawberry is like too subtle to even like matter. Like, it honestly doesn't even taste like it's there, which means, you know, you pay extra for the puree and then you don't even like taste it. Has my camera been blurry this whole time? I honestly just don't think it's worth the money. It's not that good. Kind of lame. Looks cute. Looks pretty, whatever. Is it worth 500 calories? Nope. Is it worth an Instagram picture? No, because it was $5. Anyway, that's really all I have to say. It's not that good. Don't waste your money. Buy whatever you normally drink that you do know you like, and don't waste $5 on something like this. I gotta go. I don't know why it keeps not focusing on my face. Please like like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. And I hope this video wasn't too bumpy and like blurry and annoying. I'm very confused right now. We'll see you guys later.